Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by removing the watch and laying it on a soft surface. This prevents scratches and lets you hear the sound clearly. Once done, inspect the clasp, spring bars, links, and strap material to find the exact click or rattle. Use a small screwdriver and magnifier if needed, because seeing the tiny gap or loose pin explains why noise occurs. Make sure to have cleaning supplies and a light lubricant ready. Those two items solve most problems quickly and safely. Now you clean the suspected parts. Dirt and grit often amplify sound, so gently swab pins, clasp grooves, and link joints with isopropyl. Once clean, tighten screws or compress spring bars, carefully because over-torquing can strip threads. If a pin is worn, replace it. This eliminates lateral play and the common ticking noise. Then apply a tiny, precise amount of lubricant to moving metal contact points to reduce friction and stop that intermittent clack. Make sure to remove any excess to avoid attracting grime. Finish by reassembling everything and putting the watch on. Wear it and perform typical wrist movements to confirm the noise is gone. If you still hear it, adjust the fit. Slight slack can let links hit, so remove or add a link, or try a different strap material because leather or fabric damps metal-on-metal noise. If that fails, isolate the sound source by removing parts one at a time. This targeted check tells you whether to replace a clasp, spring bar, or entire strap.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.